Everyone, hope you're doing well. The reason why I'm doing this episode is to expose Bollywood. Bollywood जो है वो बहुत ही मैं एंटी इंडिया तो नहीं कहूँगा, लेकिन बॉलीवुड बहुत ही सेल्फिश है एंड कभी भी इंडिया के लिए स्टैंड नहीं लेता है, विच इज़ द हार्श रियलिटी, द अनफॉर्चुनेट रियलिटी ऑफ आर बिलवड बॉलीवुड. सो दैट्स वाई आई हैव नेम्ड दिस एपिसोड एज बॉलीवुड बीट्रेज इंडिया. और ये एक बार नहीं कई बार हो चुका है. एंड द मोस्ट शॉकिंग पार्ट इज़ दैट डिस्पाइट an attack such as Pahalgam, where the entire country stood as one, Hindus and Muslims stood as one, um, Bollywood chose to stay silent. मैं इन लोगों को एक्सपोज करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि ये गलत है. देश जब ऐसे सिचुएशन में से जूझ रहा हो तब आपको देश को यूनाइट करने की ज़रूरत है. whereas Bollywood has always tried to uh, has tried to portray Pakistan in good light, without ever uh, trying to show that India is a victim of Pakistan's terror. And मैं जब बॉलीवुड की बात करता हूँ इसमें बहुत कम सेलिब्रिटीज़ ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने इंडिया के लिए कुछ बोला हो, इंडिया के हक में कुछ बोला हो, or somebody who has criticized Pakistan. The reason I'm talking to you in both English and Hindi is because there are quite a few viewers who would probably not be comfortable in English, but I want this to reach everybody. मैं चाहता हूँ कि पूरी इंडिया इस चीज़ को सुने. हम जिन बॉलीवुड सुपरस्टार्स को के मूवीज़ देख के उनको करोड़पति बनाते हैं, वो इंडिया के लिए कभी खड़े नहीं होते हैं. ये आप कुछ भी कह लो, ये रियलिटी है और मैं ये आपको प्रूव करता हूँ इस एपिसोड के ज़रिए. पहले तो मैं जावेद अख्तर साहब की बात करूँगा जो एक्चुअली इंडिया के लिए स्टैंड लेते हैं. ही इज़ वन ऑफ दोज पर्सनैलिटीज़ हु हैज़ ऑलवेज स्टूड अप फॉर इंडिया, राइट. एंड आई रियली अप्रिशिएट दैट. ये वेटरन हैं बॉलीवुड के. इन्होंने कई लाजवाब फिल्में दी हैं, इंक्लूडिंग शोले, दीवार, लॉट ऑफ अदर मूवीज़. एंड आई सल्यूट हिम फॉर स्टैंडिंग अप फॉर इंडिया. He's been in the news recently, as you can see in the screen. He openly criticized Pakistan several times. He went to Pakistan, in fact, in one of his shows. The Pakistani crowd was left shocked when somebody asked him about terrorism or something in those lines, and he said जब मुंबई में टेरर अटैक्स हुए थे तो वो पाकिस्तानियों ने ही किए थे. He said people from Pakistan are the ones who came and attacked his beloved Mumbai. And that's the kind of patriotism that you want to see in all of Bollywood. Yeah, recently, like I said, recently when somebody asked him about choosing between India and Pakistan, he said he would rather go to hell than go to Pakistan. Now, I am appalled that people ask him that question. Just because he is a Muslim, you shouldn't be asking him if he wants to be in India or Pakistan. My fundamental belief is this, कि जिन मुसलमानों ने or the ancestors of the Muslims who are here today had a choice to make, and they made that choice. They made the choice to stay back in India. So that should not be a debate anymore. Our job is to educate the current generation. Some Muslims obviously are fed with so much of nonsense these days through media and through various social media platforms, wherein they might feel aggrieved. उनको शायद ये लगता होगा कि इंडिया हमें ठीक से ट्रीट कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. It is our duty to show them that India is the best place for them, if there is any doubt. right? This place belongs to all communities, not just Muslims. India is the only country in the world, and I can prove this to anybody who comes and has a debate with me. India is the only secular country in this world. आप अगर देखोगे कहीं पे भी, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स की बात कर लो, आप जापान की बात कर लो, जो अपने आप को सेक्युलर बोलते हैं, वहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन ऑफ अदर माइनॉरिटीज़ बहुत ही कम होते हैं. वेरएज इंडिया में वैसा नहीं है. इंडिया में 25 करोड़ मुस्लिम हैं. इंडिया में आई थिंक 4-5 करोड़ क्रिश्चियंस हैं. 2-3 करोड़ शायद सिख होंगे. और ऐसा मिक्स आपको जैन्स हैं, बुद्धिस्ट हैं. ये देश सभी को वेलकम करता है. तो ये इस मिट्टी की खासियत है. बाकी चीज़ों में शायद हम पिछड़े हों, लेकिन as far as secularism is concerned, we are number one in the world, and we are the only ones in the world. If you have if you have a different point of view, I'm always there to listen to you, because we are a democracy, and please reach out to me through the comments. But coming back to this subject of Bollywood, we need more people like Javed Akhtar, because the truth is that Bollywood has always failed to stand up for India. I'll just prove that in the next few pages that I'm going to show you. If you look at this, this is Fawad Khan, the Pakistani superstar who was in the news recently because he's just finished a movie which was supposed to be released and was banned because of the Operation Sindoor and what happened before that. So Fawad Khan has also acted in quite a few movies before. Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, there's a movie with Siddharth Malhotra, a lot of other movies. He recently tweeted, and I don't blame him, to be honest, because he recently tweeted or he stated this somewhere, that he felt he offered his deepest condolences to those injured in Pakistan. As a Pakistani, he has the right to say this. Even though Pakistan was wrong, obviously you expect him to defend his country, which is what he did. He called the attack from India shameful. See, you have to understand this. In Pakistan, there is a lot of anti-India rhetoric. Just like in India, we say that Pakistanis are wrong. In Pakistan, they say that India is wrong and India is the aggressor. While that is not correct, in India's case, we are a peace-loving country, but Pakistan is not. But the Pakistanis themselves don't know it, because they are always told that India is the one who is the aggressor. So their superstars like Fawad Khan here, you can read what he's written. उन्होंने clearly ये बोला है कि इंडिया innocent लोगों को मार रहा है. हालांकि वो सही नहीं है, बिकॉज इंडिया ने सिविलियंस को मारने की कोशिश ही नहीं की, बट इन्होंने ये कहा है. सिमिलरली बाकी पाकिस्तानी सेलिब्रिटीज़ हैं, हानिया आमिर करके जो काफ़ी फेमस हैं, उन्होंने ये कहा है कि चिल्ड्रन आर बीइंग किल्ड एंड इंडिया इज़ बॉम्बिंग देम एंड this is and all sorts of things about India. There is another Mahira Khan who acted with Shah Rukh Khan in Rais, and she said that India has attacked them and it is a cowardly attack. She's defending her country now, and like I said, whether they're right or wrong, everybody has the right to defend their country. But look at, I'll just show the reaction of our Khans. You should ask this question. We spend, like I said earlier, we have made these Khans crorpatis. They are superstars. India never has or will ever see their religion. We shower love on people on the basis of who they are. अगर इंडिया एंटी मुस्लिम होता तो इंडिया के सबसे बड़े सुपरस्टार्स खान्स नहीं होते. दिस इज़ द सिंपलेस्ट rebuttal that one can give to doubters of India or India's secularism. राइट? इफ़ यू सी पाकिस्तान में क्या हुआ है? पाकिस्तान में हिंदूज, मुस्लिम्स ऑफ नॉन सुन्नी मुस्लिम्स हु आर शियाज, अहमदियाज, and all other non-Sunni Muslims, Christians and Sikhs have been massacred. उनकी एग्जिस्टेंस ही नहीं है. You don't see them in cricket, you don't see them in, obviously you don't see them in army, you don't see them anywhere. These people try to seek refuge in India. उनके लिए वो तालिबान को भी झेल लेंगे पर पाकिस्तान को नहीं झेल पाएंगे, बिकॉज ऐसी हालत करके रखी है उन लोगों ने. एंड येट if you see our superstars, they question India. They have the right to question India, being Indian citizens. But my problem is they try to shower love on Pakistan. Like I said, coming back to the Khans, post Pahalgam, the three superstars, the three big Khans, hardly said anything about the incident. All they said is they condemned it. I mean, what happened in Pahalgam was the most shameful thing ever, because people were shot at point blank range because of their religion. उनसे उनकी मज़हब पूछी गई और उन पे पॉइंट ब्लैंक रेंज पे उनको गोली मार दी गई. और इस पे खान्स का ये कहना है, तीनों खान्स ने पाकिस्तान का नाम नहीं लिया. आई डोंट नो वाई. आई डोंट नो इफ इट इज़ द फियर ऑफ द अंडरवर्ल्ड और इफ दे have so much love for Pakistan that they don't care if innocents are, or rather they don't probably think that these innocents have been killed by Pakistani terrorists. एक बात तो बहुत ही क्लियर है, दुनिया में टेररिज्म होता है, नॉन स्टेट एक्टर्स होते हैं जो, इन अदर वर्ड्स दीज आर फैनेटिक्स, पागल लोग जो टेररिज्म करते हैं. लेकिन पाकिस्तान इज़ दी ओनली कंट्री वेयर द स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्स दिस टेररिज्म. आपको इसका मतलब समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि आप टीवी पे बहुत सारा प्रोपेगेंडा सुनते होगे. वी यूज़ द वर्ड नॉन स्टेट एक्टर्स. पाकिस्तान इज़ अ स्टेट स्पॉन्सर ऑफ टेररिज्म. पाकिस्तान में क्या होता है कि गवर्नमेंट जो है, उनकी आर्मी जो है, ये सब मिल के टेरर को प्रमोट करते हैं. IMF से इनको पैसा मिलता है, बाकी कंट्रीज से भीख मांगते हैं, वहाँ से इनको पैसा मिलता है. उस पैसे को ये एजुकेशन में नहीं डालते हैं, ये टेररिज्म में डालते हैं. मदरसा एजुकेशन होता है वहाँ पे ज़्यादातर. स्कूल के टेक्स्ट बुक्स में भी एंटी इंडिया हेट होता है. दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट पीपल इन इंडिया डोंट नो. यू शुड नो दिस. दिस इज़ व्हाट हैपेंस इन पाकिस्तान. एंड व्हेन यू डोंट नेम सच अ कंट्री, इट इज़ अ रियल शेम. सो कमिंग बैक टू द खान्स, आमिर खान जस्ट सेड दैट हमें जस्टिस चाहिए और हम चाहते हैं कि ऐसे आगे ऐसा न हो, उसके लिए कदम उठाए जाएं. मुझे यकीन है कि सरकार ऐसी सारी कदम उठाएगी जहां हमें जस्टिस मिले. जिन्होंने ये जो गलत काम किया है, दे शुड बी ब्रॉट टू जस्टिस. किन्होंने ये गलत काम किया है? पाकिस्तानियों ने किया है. ये आमिर खान को पता नहीं है? ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता है. तो he should have said, in my opinion, he should have said, Pakistan has been doing this for a very long time. This is not about Hindu or Muslim, this is about being a Pakistani. And Pakistanis, a lot of Pakistanis are today brainwashed into terrorism. In India, आप लोग इंडिया में रहते हो, and you would agree with my opinion, how many of us keep talking about such things on a daily basis? We don't brainwash each other. There are a lot of things that we have to think about. Unfortunately, if you listen to radio and all those things in Pakistan, there is a lot of rhetoric, anti-India rhetoric, and this is their system promotes it. इंडिया में हमारे पास और चीज़ें करने के लिए समय है. we do other things, but in Pakistan, unfortunately, it is all about anti-India rhetoric, and everybody knows it, including Mr. Amir Khan here. He should have said that पाकिस्तान ने ये किया है, एंड जिन पाकिस्तानियों ने ये की है उनको ये सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए. इफ़ ही हैज़ सो मच लव टुवर्ड्स पाकिस्तान, ही शुड हैव सेड दैट पाकिस्तानी आवाम जो है और पाकिस्तानी पब्लिक जो है, वो खुद इन आर्मी और गवर्नमेंट के टेरर स्पॉन्सरशिप के विक्टिम्स हैं. माई हार्ट गोज़ आउट टू देम, बट पाकिस्तान डिजर्व्स पनिशमेंट. कमिंग बैक टू आवर बिलवड SRK, एंड SRK का मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको, पठान में उन्होंने क्या गुल खिलाए हैं. I personally am a huge fan of his in terms of his. I've seen a lot of his movies, the likes of Swades, which is one of my favorites. I've seen about 15-20 movies of his. But and he also mentioned that world fails to express sadness and anger at the words fail to express the sadness and anger at the treachery or an inhumane act of violence that has occurred in Pahalgam, blah blah blah. Now, the problem here is again, what is the harm in naming Pakistan? I remember Shah Rukh Khan in 2007 um, when the Pakistan cricket team was in India. There was a show in which he said that um, his dad is from Pakistan and his mother is from India. So he supports both, and this is which happened in India at a time where there had been several blasts which had been done by Pakistan. Right, so he openly showered his love towards Pakistan. I'm completely okay with it. He has connections with Pakistan, or he had connections with Pakistan. The problem here is when somebody comes into your own country. I hope he believes that Kashmir is part of India. When somebody comes into your own country and kills innocents, you must question them. And like I said, everybody knows that in Pakistan's case, these terrorists who came to Pahalgam were sponsored by their state. They are being sponsored by that state. India proved that when we hit their terror targets, जस्ट लाइक इन केस ऑफ पुलवामा. इस बार तो हमने पाकिस्तान के अंदर के टेरर टारगेट्स को मारे थे, हालांकि वो बहुत कम है बिकॉज पाकिस्तान इज़ फुल ऑफ टेररिस्ट. देयर पॉपुलेशन इज़ अबाउट 24-25 crore. आउट ऑफ दैट आई एम श्योर 2.5-3 crore would be terrorists, and there will be a lot of budding terrorists because from the age of 10-11 they are fed with anti-India hatred, and they are fed with complete nonsense. So Shah Rukh Khan not could have, he should have clearly named Pakistan, saying that Pakistan should stop this. Again, like I said earlier, he could have said that there are Pakistani innocents who are also suffering because of this. They are not doing any favor to if they genuinely care for Pakistan, they are not doing any favor to Pakistan by not naming them. Because अगर पाकिस्तान को सुधारना ही है, if there is any future, any hope for Pakistan, they need to, if they want to help out, they need to clearly name them, because their fans in Pakistan will at least relate to them. At least they will understand that their leaders are pushing them into a situation from which there is no coming back. If you see what's happening in Afghanistan today, Pakistan will face the same one day, and that's it's not going to take long. So this is something that I expect from our superstars, and he's a very educated man. Shah Rukh Khan is a very educated man. And my concern with Bollywood is that there is a lot of love towards Pakistan, but there is no outreach by these stars. I have written in my book, India Minority Victim, that our Bollywood superstars should be roped in to solve the Hindu-Muslim problem that we have, which has been created by our political parties. Starting with the Congress party post-independence, and it was a deliberate ploy by the Congress party because they wanted to divide and rule, and it has been taken over by all other parties, either majority appeasement or minority appeasement, and we call it vote bank politics. Imagine if Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, or Salman Khan stand there, and they have crores of followers. If they stand in public and say that there is nothing called this Hindu-Muslim, everybody is the same, and they educate Indian Muslims about what India stands for, if they tell them, if they genuinely care for this country, they should come out in the open and say that, look, this is the only secular country in the world. There are other countries which are either Christian nations or there are Muslim nations. There is no other country apart from India where every religion is respected. Imagine the impact that it would have on the Muslims of this country. Because they're fed with a lot of hatred. I feel for the Muslims of India because ever since independence, while the Congress preached a lot, they never practiced, and hence the education levels of Muslims in India is appalling. Uh, BJP, for all its majoritarian policies, actually has done more for Indian Muslims than Congress, but they don't even realize it because they are led by their mullahs and maulanas uh, who are given a lot of funding. इनको बहुत पैसा मिलता है बाहर से इंडिया में ये मुस्लिम्स को गलत खबर देने के लिए and the Khans have never done anything. My appeal to them would be, please come out in the open, start supporting Indian Muslims, start supporting India uh, instead of showering love towards Pakistan, because Pakistan is a failed state. And it is a failed state, it is not non-state actors, it is the state which is failing them. And the way they are, their army has always been in control. It is almost impossible to revive them. But if you can help in any way, reach out to your fans there and tell them that they need to fight their political establishment. Coming, सलमान खान जो हैं ये बोलते हैं कश्मीर हेवन ऑन प्लैनेट अर्थ टर्निंग इनटू हेल. ये भी ये नहीं बोल सकते हैं कि कश्मीर जो इंडिया का मस्तक है उसके साथ पाकिस्तान ऐसा कर रहा है. ये कितना अच्छा होता अगर ये कुछ ऐसा बोलते तो, लेकिन ये नहीं बोलेंगे. यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट हिम टू डू दिस, एंड दैट इज़ द हार्श रियलिटी ऑफ बीइंग एन इंडियन. इट पेन्स मी. मुझे दर्द होता है कि हम सभी मज़हब को एक मानते हैं और हम किसी में डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोग हैं जो जिनके मुंह में कुछ अटक जाता है, गले में कुछ अटक जाता है अगर उनको इंडिया के बारे में कुछ बोलना हो तो. सच्चाई क्या है आप अगर सोच के देखो, अगर पाकिस्तान नहीं होता तो कश्मीर क्या होता. कश्मीर वुड एक्चुअली हैव बीन हेवन. what Pakistan has done, it has turned in the entire region into hell. हम रोज़ डर डर के रहते हैं कि कल पाकिस्तान क्या करेगा, and our future generations are in trouble because of this Pakistan. What's the harm in naming them? Why can't Mr. Salman Khan name them? And this is a question that we need to ask. We need to stop watching their movies till they respond to this. I want them to come out, and again, like I said, I've said this repeatedly, they may take the side of the innocent Pakistanis, the children, and they may think about their future, but they must name their establishment. They must name Pakistan in every message of theirs, because the fact is, like Ms. Javed Akhtar Sahab says, Pakistan is in dire straits. इनफैक्ट जावेद अख्तर साहब का एक इंटरव्यू है जिसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि पाकिस्तान रिलीजन के बेसिस पे कोई भी देश आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता है. उन्होंने बोला जैसे पाकिस्तान में क्या किया कि वो उन्होंने एक एग्जांपल दिया था जिसमें उन्होंने बोला था कि प्याज की तरह है, अनियन. इट्स लाइक एन अनियन वेयर यू पील द लेयर्स ऑफ द अनियन एंड to see what the real onion is, and you keep peeling the layers and nothing happens. And that is what's happened in Pakistan. You can listen to it obviously. I have detailed all of these in my book. I have detailed India's predicament. मैंने ये बताया है कि इंडिया के प्रॉब्लम्स क्या क्या होने वाले हैं, क्योंकि मैंने ये पॉलिटिक्स को ऑब्जर्व किया है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, सॉरी थोड़ा सा डाइग्रेस कर रहा हूँ, जैसे कि मैंने ये क्लियरली बोला है कि इंडिया का जो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है वो तो है कि वो ये है कि वो पाकिस्तान और चाइना दोनों इर्द गिर्द हैं. आप समझ लीजिए कि आप एक घर में रह रहे हो, आपके दोनों साइड इतने घटिया नेबर्स रहते हैं. यू हैव हॉरिबल नेबर्स हु कीप थ्रोइंग गार्बेज इनटू योर हाउस. आप क्या करोगे? आप उनसे लड़ नहीं पाओगे, क्योंकि अगर आप लड़ते हो तो वो और कूड़ा आप पे फेंकते हैं. आप क्या करोगे? व्हाट विल यू डू? यू आर इन ट्रबल. एटलीस्ट इफ इट्स अ हाउस, maybe you can sell it and move away, but it is so difficult to sell it. If it is a house, imagine if it's a country. You don't have an option of doing that. So that is what India is facing. And these people here, instead of, ये लोग politics के शिकार हैं क्योंकि इनको लगता है कि इंडिया में शायद अपीसमेंट हो रहा है, मेजॉरिटी अपीसमेंट हो रहा है, जो गलत है. And these superstars, instead of taking India's side. They should take the side of Indian Hindus, Indian Muslims, everybody in India, and start blaming Pakistan. They should blame Pakistan for Pakistan's good. I'll show more things about it. मैं बॉलीवुड की इसलिए बात कर रहा हूँ कि it is not just about their tweets. I will show, I'll prove this by the end of it. I'm sure all of you would agree. If you don't, like I said, I'm happy to hear your comments, debate it, and explain it to you. There was this movie called PK. Very nice movie. I thoroughly enjoyed the movie, to be honest. I'll not lie. And it has a nice message as well, in the sense that people end up believing in Godmen. Ironically, the the lead protagonist in this, along with Amir Khan, is Anushka Sharma, and you see her in front of a Babaji, along with Virat Kohli. So people don't necessarily practice what they preach. ये हमें समझना है. वो इस मूवी में जो मैसेज है उसकी जिस विपरीत वो करती हैं, वो बाबा जी के सामने ही बैठी दिखाई देती हैं. दैट इज़ अ पर्सनल चॉइस. आई एम नॉट एनीवन टू कमेंट ऑन दैट, but I'm saying what they show in the movie is just the opposite. They say that these Babajis should not be trusted, right? They emphasize mainly on Hindu godmen. They should have emphasized more on other godmen as well, because in my opinion there are two ways of doing it. अगर आप religion को बिल्कुल नहीं चाहते हो, I'm completely okay with it. You should say that nobody should practice religion, or if you are if you believe that religion should be practiced, then everybody should be given an equal right. There cannot be one is right and the other one is wrong. कुछ लोग आइडल वर्शिप करते हैं तो वो गलत हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोग कुछ और तरीके का वर्शिप करते हैं वो सही है. Now that is where I have a problem. Hypocrisy, right? So again, coming back to PK, the problem I have with PK is that, like I said, apart from too much of emphasis on Hindu godmen, which in my opinion is right, but there is another movie called Oh My God, जिसमें they have questioned all sorts of religions. They haven't focused only on Hinduism. They've included everything. वो बहुत अच्छी मूवी है, इससे better movie है. Obviously much low budget and hence didn't become as big a success. And it is not polarizing. It is uniting. आपको, this is why I always say, ये खान्स हो गए या जो भी हैं, they should try to unite and not try to polarize. Unfortunately, they try to polarize. ये लोग politicians नहीं है, they are actors. They should try to unite, and their unity should start, because the world puts so much pressure. Again, this is part of my book. The world tries to break India. India ऐसा है कि इंडिया को इतनी बार तोड़ा गया है, और जब उभरने की कोशिश करता है फिर से तोड़ते हैं. और the world's easiest weapon is the Hindu-Muslim weapon. So these Khans have so much power. इनकी पूरी कम्युनिटी इनकी सुनती है. हिंदूज तो सुनते ही हैं, मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी भी इनकी सुनेगी. तो इनको ये बोलना चाहिए कि इंडिया से बेहतरीन देश और कुछ है नहीं. एंड इफ दे से दैट, इमेजिन द काइंड ऑफ यूनिटी दैट इट विल ब्रिंग इन इंडिया. एंड दैट्स वेयर दीज गाइज दे डोंट डू इट, नहीं करते. तो पीके में क्या होता है कि जो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत, द लेट सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का जो कैरेक्टर है, ही इज़ अ पाकिस्तानी, हिज नेम इज़ सरफराज. आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ यू मस्ट हैव सीन द मूवी. उसमें क्या होता है कि सरफराज लास्ट में जो अनुष्का को अपना लेते हैं, एंड दे गेट टुगेदर फाइनली. एंड वो सरफराज को फूल जैसा दिखाया गया है. सरफराज इज़ द बेस्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग ऑन अर्थ. द रियलिटी इज़ फार फ्रॉम इट. If you marry a Pakistani Muslim, and 99% of them today are Muslims because they have exterminated, उन्होंने मार डाला है बाकी सभी को, कुचल दिया है, which is the fact which the Khans should know, and Indian Muslims should also know. And because a lot of they, like I repeatedly say, it is not their fault, but they are fed wrong information through a lot of funding that comes from here and there. So what happens is, ये protagonist जो हैं ये अपना लेते हैं, and everything ends well. The reality is far from it. Like one of my favorites is Wasim Akram. उन्होंने एक ऑस्ट्रेलियन को के साथ शादी की है, and you also obviously know Imran Khan. He's married women from across. Jemima, who's a Brit, famous Brit businessman's daughter, and his ex-wife. इन सभी को वो convert कर देते हैं. They're supposed to wear their burqa. They're supposed to convert. और आप यहाँ पे सरफराज को ऐसे दिखा रहे हो जैसे कि वो बहुत फॉरवर्ड है. Why should people convert? in my opinion. And this is a marriage between any religion. You Hindu marrying a Muslim marrying a Hindu, Christian marrying a Sikh, whichever way it is. Why should there be conversion? If you decide that you are from a different religion and you are okay to get married, why should there be conversion? And that is what Pakistanis do. They convert. And इसमें ऐसा दिखाया गया है कि सरफराज बहुत अच्छे हैं. To it's an outreach. Instead of telling people in India that Pakistan is complete crap and we are much forward, these guys try to tell that Pakistanis बहुत अच्छे हैं, which is wrong. Pakistanis अच्छे नहीं हैं because they are supporting their terrorist government. उनको question करना चाहिए. That people should say that look at India and learn. Look at how they've let Abdul Kalam become the president, whereas you have just crushed other communities. ये है पीके में प्रॉब्लम. बजरंगी भाईजान तो वाह. इसमें क्या होता है, I don't know, have words to express, because in this Bajrangi goes to Pakistan to get जो एक लड़की जो यहाँ पे भटक गई हो, पाकिस्तानी लड़की, उस बच्ची, उसको वापस छोड़ने जाते हैं. एंड ही showered with love. People start chanting Hanuman's name. People are जय श्री राम बोलते हैं पाकिस्तानी लोग. How preposterous can it be? Why, if you can't, okay, fine. For a moment, you don't want to criticize Pakistan, but why tell lies to Indians that Pakistanis are so good? At least gumrah mat karo. I mean, poor Indians end up believing these things without knowing, and it actually creates more disharmony in India, because the Muslims of here think that Pakistanis are so good, whereas they're called muhajirs. I'll show it to you later. Indian Muslims are hated by the most by Pakistanis. They call them refugees, muhajirs. ये Indian Muslims को जानना ज़रूरी है. A lot of Indian Muslims are not aware that Pakistanis just plainly hate them. They think that they are nowhere close to them in terms of anything. Right? I will show that a little later. There are a lot of Indian Muslims who have actually, not Indian Muslims, I mean Muslims who settled in Pakistan post-independence. The ones who contributed were suppressed because they were said that आप लोग उस जगह से belong करते हो. When partition happened, कुछ लोग वहीं पे पाकिस्तान जो जहाँ पे अभी है वहीं के रहने वाले थे. कुछ लोग इंडिया के दूसरे जगहों से माइग्रेट किए. जो लोग माइग्रेट किए उन्होंने कंट्रीब्यूट किया, लेकिन उनको पाकिस्तानियों ने दबा दिया. आज की डेट में वो कहीं के नहीं. They don't have rights and they are called muhajirs, and they are treated in a very derogatory manner. Indian Muslims, some of them think that Pakistanis love them, they hate them. This is the fact, and this is the Khans know it. They don't want to say it. तो इसमें भी झूठ बोला गया है. It's a lie. I have a problem with, if you can't support the truth, at least don't lie. And these are the kind of lies that you don't peddle, unless you are under pressure from the underworld. Hina, oh, wow. I mean, there is this, towards the end of this movie, what happens is, look at this poster. It is almost like a Pakistani movie. What happens towards the, I guess, I'm sure Raj Kapoor was I guess born in Pakistan, so he had an affinity towards Pakistan. But you can't peddle lies like this. What happens here is that a Hindu man from India falls in love with a Muslim girl, which is Ziba Bakhtiar from Pakistan. Incidentally, Ziba Bakhtiar is somebody who's been a harsh critic of India, and she's acted in movies which is completely anti-India. We at least don't make anti-Pakistan movies. We don't make movies. हम ऐसी movies नहीं बनाते हैं जिसमें पाकिस्तान को कुचल दिया जाता है और सब कुछ गलत बताया जाता है. हम तो उल्टा तारीफ करते हैं. इनके movies अलग तरीके के होते हैं. They are like, they paint India as the villains, even though we are not. We are liberal, लेकिन वो हमको उल्टा दिखाते हैं. And we are okay with it, unfortunately. So ये movie में क्या होता है कि लास्ट में ये दोनों गले मिलते हैं और मारे जाते हैं. It is an emotional roller coaster, but it is full of lies. Right? Again, showing Pakistan in great light. Pathan, wow. What happens in Pathan? Pathan में there is an ISI agent. ISI is one of the most cruelest agencies. They are in Canada में अभी जो हो रहा है, जो so-called खालिस्तानी मूवमेंट जो है, ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. जो सिख्स हैं, दे आर वेरी वेरी strong minded, very loyal people, right? And Indian Sikhs, and ज़्यादातर Sikhs obviously India में ही हैं. There are a few across the other parts of the globe. You see that disproportionately उनकी जो आर्मी में जितने लोग होते हैं, they're disproportionately high in when it comes to protecting their homeland, their country. And Hindus and Sikhs are the same. We don't consider ourselves different. तो खालिस्तानीज का जो कनाडा में है, दिस इज़ अ प्लांटेड थिंग बाय ISI, राइट? एंड दे वांट दे क्रिएटेड अ मूवमेंट इन कनाडा, एंड थ्रू दैट उनको लगता है, दे कॉल इट सिक्स फॉर जस्टिस. ऐसे फालतू की चीज़ें इन्होंने बना के रखी हैं जिसके थ्रू वो टारगेट करना चाहते हैं इंडियन सिख्स को, और यहाँ पे दरारें क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं. दिस इज़ ISI इज़ द वर्स्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन द वर्ल्ड. And they are responsible for a lot of blasts in India. They are responsible for a lot of bad things in India. पाकिस्तान में ये दिखाया जाता है कि Raw is the villain. There are Pakistani movies in which they say that Raw is responsible for terrorist attacks in Pakistan. Raw is this, Raw is that. India घटिया है. ये सब पाकिस्तान में दिखाया जाता है. Whereas here, the lady love of our Mr. Pathan is an ISI agent who is a very nice lady. ये ऐसा है कि दिस इज़ लाइक सेइंग दैट सूरज धरती के अराउंड घूमता है और धरती नहीं घूमती है सूरज के. दिस इज़ लाइक दैट. आई मीन, दिस इज़ दैट प्रिपोस्ट्रस. एंड द विलन इज़ एन एक्स मिलिट्री मैन गॉन रोग. विलन जो है वो इंडिया के सिस्टम से खुश नहीं है, इसलिए वो विलन बन जाता है. सो we are trying to prove that Pakistan is better than India, and this is the highest grossing movie in India, and ये होता ही रहेगा because Indians are बुद्धू हैं. Indians are fools. They don't understand these things. Probably they don't care because we are so secular, we are so democratic, we are in our mind, we are so pure that we don't care. But this is what these guys take advantage of. We should, in my opinion, we should never let such movies succeed. Because it is wrong. वो झूठ बोला जाता है. I am okay with showing love, let's say like a PK, even okay with that, because वो तो झूठ है, but at least they're trying to unite in some way. I mean, I'm just giving them the benefit of the doubt in comparison to this. लेकिन ये जो है, ये बहुत ही गलत है, and this is completely anti-India. ISI should always be shown in bad light till they stop terrorism in India, till they stop killing innocents in India. They've killed thousands, lakhs of Indians, not thousands, in Kashmir, across India, and yet you should not have a single, आप एक छोटा सा भी उनके तरफ सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर नहीं रख सकते. दिस इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू यूनाइट. दिस इज़ नॉट, उनके दिल नहीं पिघलेंगे इसकी वजह से. और इंडिया में आप सिर्फ दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो कि देखो पाकिस्तानीज बहुत अच्छे हैं और हमारे लोग गलत हैं, हमारे आर्मी वाले गलत हैं. टॉकिंग ऑफ दीज मूवीज़, आप ये देखिए कुछ इसमें. ये तो मैंने आपको जैसे मैं बता रहा था, द इंसानियत की खिदमत इज़ द वर्ड दैट इज़ यूज्ड इन पठान, whereas for the ISI agent, whereas the antagonist Jim, इनका नाम एक क्रिश्चियन नाम रख दिया गया बिकॉज नहीं तो वो हिंदू मुस्लिम वाला प्रॉब्लम हो जाता. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम इज़ ही इज़ अ former award winner, he was awarded by the army, but he's gone rogue because he doesn't like the Indian system in which everybody has progressed. All communities have grown. Hindus obviously have grown, but Pakistan, whereas in Pakistan it's just the opposite. Hindus का population almost zero हो चुका है, बहुत ही कम है. In India, Muslims have grown, Sikhs have grown, everybody has obviously grown because India is secular. I am sorry for being repetitive, but सभी Indians को ये जानने की ज़रूरत है कि इंडिया सिर्फ एक देश है जो सेक्युलर है. हमारे देश में बहुत सारे एक्टिविस्ट को पैसा दिया जाता है ये बोलने के लिए कि इंडिया अनसेक्युलर है. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप इंडिया की तारीफ़ करो हर चीज़ में, बट सिर्फ बाकी बहुत सारे इंडिया में ऑब्वियसली बहुत सारी खामियाँ हैं. Let's be normal, let's be natural. That's why in all my videos I will try to unite, I will not try to divide. दैट इज़ ऑल माई एक्सपेक्टेशन इज़ फ्रॉम दीज खान्स ऑल्सो. तो इसमें ये हो गया. वेराज ये है बजरंगी भाईजान, जिसमें मैंने बोला कि उसमें सभी पाकिस्तानी अच्छे हैं. वी ट्राई टू शो दैट मुझे वो जानने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. इनफैक्ट आई वुड, सिंस पाकिस्तान वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, आई वुड वांट, मेरी दिली ख्वाहिश ये है कि मैं एक दिन पाकिस्तान जाके विज़िट करना चाहता हूँ या चाहता था. बट इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन बिकॉज दे गॉन रोग. उनके दिमाग में गलत टाइप रिलीजन बस गया है और रिलीजन का गलत इंटरप्रिटेशन बस गया है, जो आइसिस की तरह है, जो चेंज नहीं हो सकता है. सो देर इज़ नो पॉइंट. These guys should try to unite Indians rather than trying to show that Pakistan is good. राजी करके एक मूवी आई थी, बहुत अच्छी मूवी है अगेन, बट उसमें भी पाकिस्तानी सभी वाह वाह करते हैं. ये पाकिस्तानी इसके पाकिस्तानी विकी कौशल है उसमें, एक पाकिस्तानी आर्मी मैन जो बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान है. सिमिलरली देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स. जो जिन्होंने बुक लिखा था उन्होंने बोला कि मैंने गलती कर दी इनको ये दे के, क्योंकि इसमें जो दिखाया गया है वो गलत है. एक unknown movie called Hindu Ki Jawani. I borrowed this from somewhere. Because I've watched these movies, but this was nicely written from, I think, Swaraj. So you should read it. And this is another movie where Hindu Ki Jawani, where Pakistani Muslim man saves an Indian girl, Indian Hindu girl. So प्यार की बातें हो रही है, which is unfortunately not true. This is in sharp contrast to what happens in Pakistan. Pakistani movies, at least one thing we have to give credit to them. Their movies show exactly what they are. उनके मूवीज़ में ये दिखाया जाता है कि इंडिया सबसे बड़ा विलन है इस दुनिया का. एंड दिस इज समथिंग दे बिलीव बिकॉज लाइक आई सेड, दे इन देयर स्कूल टेक्स्ट बुक्स दे टीच दैट इंडिया इज़ बैड, हिंदुज़म इज़ बैड, हिंदूज हमारे दुश्मन हैं. ये सारी चीज़ें उनके स्कूल टेक्स्ट बुक्स में दिखाए जाते हैं. उनके जो मूवीज़ हैं उसमें भी यही दिखाया जाता है. So at least unlike our movies, unlike our superstars who lie, they don't lie. वो अपने आवाम को, अपने पब्लिक को वही दिखाते हैं. They show exactly what they've been told, they've been taught. So they don't lie. Again, coming back to another Indian movie which is Haider, Vishal Bharadwaj has a real problem with Kashmir being in India. So he shows that Kashmiris are in trouble because of India. Unfortunately, the truth is that and unfortunately for him, the truth is that Kashmir has progressed because of India. See, what happens in Kashmir is that all the Kashmir, in terms of revenue, contributes very little to India. The Indian state gives back a lot to Kashmir in terms of development, which is why Kashmir has progressed so much. Whereas the Pakistani occupied Kashmir, जो उन्होंने चुराया था, which they had snatched away, and our government at that time was incompetent not to get it back. अभी भी मेरा इस government से वही मेरी शिकवा है. I have a problem with this government that post Operation Sindoor, the expectation was to get back POK, but they stopped it midway for some strange reason, which is a failure. But point ये है कि पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर में उनको बहुत सप्रेस किया जाता है, whereas इंडियन कश्मीर में एंड दे कॉल इट इंडियन ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर, जो एक्चुअल कश्मीर है, जो इंडिया का ही पूरा हिस्सा है. There should not be any debate. I think these Khans should get together and make a movie in which they should say that Kashmir is an integral part of India and Pakistan should go away. ऐसे मूवी एक बना देंगे तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. कभी बनाएंगे तो अगर मुझे मौका मिलता है इनसे मिलने का तो मैं इनसे बोलूँगा आप ऐसा भी कुछ कीजिए लाइफ में. Anyway, coming back to this Pakistani thing, there is a movie called War. इस मूवी में ये दर्शाया गया है कि रॉ जो है वो टेरर अटैक्स कराता है पाकिस्तान में, जो आई कांट डिनाई दैट. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज़, लाइक आई सेड, ISI जो है वो रॉ से 4 गुना घटिया है, बिकॉज दे टारगेट इंडियंस ऑन रिलीजियस लाइन्स, वेयरएज वी डोंट. वी टारगेट दैट टेररिस्ट जो सही है, राइट. उनकी टेररिज्म को जो पनाह देते हैं, जो उनका डॉक्ट्रिन है, उसको टारगेट करते हैं, जिसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. लेकिन वो एंड ये मूवी में हिंदूज़ को बहुत ही गलत दिखाया गया है, विच इज़ completely wrong, and I don't know why the Khans don't oppose such things, saying that देखो ये पाकिस्तानी ऐसा दिखाते हैं, ये गलत है. ये वो देश है जहाँ पे हम मुस्लिम होते हुए भी वी आर द टॉप सुपरस्टार्स. दैट इज़ इंडिया, दैट इज़ द ब्यूटी ऑफ इंडिया. मुसलमान करके एक मूवी है जिसमें आज़ादी लेके रहेंगे करके स्लोगन्स होते हैं, एंड दिस इज़ मूवी इन विच दीपा बख्तियार, जिनकी मैं बात कर रहा था, हीना की हीरोइन जो है वो हैं, और काफ़ी सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो इंडियन मूवीज़ में बहुत जिनको रोल्स दिए जाते हैं, बॉलीवुड उनको यहाँ पे बुला के बोलता है कि आप प्लीज़ रोल्स ले लीजिए, आप इतने घटिया रोल्स करते हो, एंटी हिंदू एंटी इंडिया प्रोपेगेंडा फैलाते हो, फिर भी हम आपको यहाँ पे आपका स्वागत करते हैं. दिस इज़ व्हाट हैपेंस अनफॉर्चुनेटली. दे आर वेलकम्ड, दे आर शावर्ड विद लॉट ऑफ लव, बट दीज आर स्काउंड्रल्स. कुछ शब्द मैं यूज़ नहीं कर सकता. आई कांट यूज़ फ्यू choice words which come to my mind, but since this is I can't use it on air, um, but this is something that we should question. आप इसमें पढ़ सकते हो, you can read exactly what's there. Musa Khan, there is another movie in which pandits who are the Indian priests are shown as drooling men. ये दिखाया जाता है कि temples are places where it's almost in a way they try to show that temples are a place where devils exist, whereas mosques are places which are peaceful. Doves, birds are there. So, and you can read what's written here. Absolutely obnoxious, absolutely atrocious. This is the kind of mindset that Pakistan is brought up on, and jinko we show them in good light. There are a couple of things that I haven't shown here. These are again the tweets. Going back to the tweets, there are a couple of things that I haven't shown here. I think I've missed out saving them. Is like I said earlier, Indian Muslims are called muhajirs in Pakistan, and a lot of them have contributed. So what happened is, like I said earlier, when there are certain sects of Muslims who are well educated, and these are all predominantly from India, the southern parts of India, central parts of India, etc., who had migrated there because of partition. And these were the architects of Pakistan. I mean, they were the lawyers, judges, doctors, etc., who set up Pakistan. And Pakistan में क्या होता है, Punjab and Sindh are the places where most of their politicians are from. Those are the strongholds. अभी आप अगर देखोगे on the other side, on the western side, you have Balochistan. They are Pakistanis जो actual Punjabis और Sindhis जो हैं पाकिस्तान के, वो इनको भी suppress करके रखें. That is why Balochistan wants freedom from them. On the other side, you have Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, where again these guys have suppressed them. You have a freedom movement on that side, although that is not that उतना उसमें ये नहीं है. फिर ऑब्वियसली इस तरफ है पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर. तो ये जो पंजाबीज़ और सिंधीज़ हैं वहाँ के पाकिस्तानी साइड के, उन्होंने इंडियन मुस्लिम्स जो वहाँ पे गए थे उनको सप्रेस कर दिया, दबा के रख दिया. आज वो कहीं के नहीं हैं. एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट नन ऑफ very few people in India know, especially the Muslims. So my appeal to all Indians is, आप please एक खबर फैलाइए and you show people, tell people that what India is actually about, and what Pakistan is about, and how our Bollywood is actually letting India down. I have detailed out everything in my book, India Minority Victim. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to promote this book, but all I'm saying is that I want every Indian to be aware of what India is and how India is being marginalized. India में ऐसा हो रहा है कि India के superstars के through there is a lot of money which is flowing into India, and this is something that I've detailed out in my book. And the US, for example, we think that US is India's friend. They are our number one enemy, because they always have supported Pakistan, they've always supported Afghanistan. Afghanistan की जो आज हालत है, it's because of the United States, because they fed them with weapons to target Russia. And look at what's happened today. Girls don't have education in they can't forget education, they can't even get out of their house in Afghanistan. They're always under their veil. Pakistan का भी वही हालत हुआ है. US, Britain, etc. always support Pakistan because they don't want India to prosper. उनको ये नहीं चाहिए कि India prosper हो. Or this is the harsh reality. And our own people, the Bollywood superstars, who despite their religion are the number one stars in this country, question our own country, but they don't have the guts, or they deliberately don't question the country which should be questioned. This is something that I want Indians to realize. It doesn't matter which religion you are from. There is a lot of money coming in externally. There is a lot of pressure coming in externally to divide this country, this great, great country. like I said, there are a lot of problems in this country. Unemployment हो गया, development में हम बहुत पीछे हैं because of what has happened over the last 1,000 years, because of the Mughals, the British, etc. etc. But we are rising again. हम में ये क्षमता है कि हम rise कर सकें, but इसको suppress किया जा रहा है. And Bollywood superstars can play a great role in uniting this country. Unfortunately, they are not, and hence they should be questioned. Thank you. Have a good day and have a great week ahead. Thank you.